Hello, my name is Carlos Oliveira, and this is CS50 Web Programming with Python and Javascript, project 1, books. Right, so this is my directory where I have the app, and you can see here several files that are generated by the Flask application. So I have also 3 directories with images. Directory with the static directory has which have the CSS files. Then the templates, where are all the 10 application templates. The environment file that where I have the environment and the keys for the Goodreads API and the database, and then the application py, where all the code for the application is. Book CSV, which is the file that has 5,000 books, and which through the import py was loaded into the database. Then here I have an helper py, where I have 2 functions. One is login required, which is a wrapper for the all the routes, and the other one is the lookup function, which is an input, the ISBN book number, and gives back the work rating count and the average rating. And then also, so I have the README file and the requirements text, where are all the dependencies. Right, so if I launch the application, and then I go to the URL, so this is the entry page, where you can type in the username, right. If you were not registered, you could create an account where you have to put the name and password 2 times, but since you're already registered, you just have to sign in. And so if I click login, I should be able to run the application. Right, so this is I'm already logged in, as you can see here. I can log out also, and I can search for a new book. And I can search, I can query the database using title, the author, and the ISBN of the book. So let's see if the author, I'll search for example, Ian Fleming. I'm going to go Ian, so that you can see that the application gives all the entries which author's names start with Ian, as you can see here, several books. And if I pick, for example, Casino Royale by Ian Fleming, I should have the details of the book, and here we go. So details of the selected book, which is Casino Royale, Ian Fleming, publication year 1953, and the ISBN number. This is the feedback from Goodreads, which has an average rating of 3.73 on a scale of 5, and 60,353 ratings. Users of this application already wrote some reviews, as you can see here. this user already wrote one, and there is another user who already also. And if you want to rate and review this book, you can also do it. For example, if I type in, if I do a rating of 5, and if I do this review, it's going to give an error because I've already written, this user has already written a review, but anyway, just for the purpose. If, yeah, there is a book already reviewed by the user. So if I log out this user, I then can log in again with a different user. So finally, if I want to question the API of this application, I can I'm going to illustrate here. Okay, needs requests. And for example, if I question the local host with the ISBN number, with this ISBN number, I should get a response. Okay, it's already given. So if I then convert this, I have to convert to this response with the JSON, and then if I print the result, you can see here that this ISBN number, as the author is Jan Fleming again, average score is 4, ISBN number, of course, review count 2, because these 2 users of the application reviewed this book, Goldfinger, and the year is 1959, the publication year. And that's it. Thanks for your attention.